Well, look at you then, eh? Finish your highest common factor. So let's have a go at the lowest common multiple. So we're going to go to our design section. We're going to go to our menu. I'm going to press the highest common factor button. I'm going to duplicate it. All right. And then so this button is going to be button underscore menu underscore lowest common multiple. All right. So I'm going to call this LCM. Alright, X position 10. Alright, so I wonder what that's going to be about. 210 something. Yeah, 210. Oh, look at that. That gap there is a little bit bigger. Let's go 220. Ah, it looks gorgeous. There you go. Just like me in the morning. Let's go. Oh, I like that purple. That's cool. So I'm going to copy that number so I can make the background the same. So I've got a number now. I need to do the same thing as the screen. It's going to look very similar to our highest common factor screen. So I'm going to duplicate that. So there we go, duplicate. And so now I'm going to click on the background again here. And this is going to be screen underscore lowest common multiple. All right, and let's give it a color. Oh, look at that. Right then. So look, I'm going to work my way down. So this is going to be label underscore highest common factor underscore title. All right. Doesn't like that. Oh, it doesn't like it because it's lowest common multiple, you muppet. Okay. And then lowest common multiple. So it went red. That's why I knew that it wasn't working. All right. So this one, right number there, text input. This is the lowest common multiple A, and this one will be lowest common multiple B. Everything else is good. So this will be button lowest common multiple calc. And so, okay, so you should know what you're doing. What this is, you shouldn't need me to tell you this bit now, should you? But I'm just called lowest common multiple menu. Okay, and the menu's red because that's the red colour. Lovely, that's the design section now. So let's see how well we can do here. So let's go to navigation. So here, look, we've got a button on the menu that takes us to screen CC. We've got a menu on CC that takes us back. We've got a button on the menu that takes us to HCF. And we've got a button in HCF that takes us back to the menu. So you can see that we're going to need two of these. Alright, so button, lowest common, so this first one needs to be the button on the menu. Didn't I call it? What did I do? Okay, I'm going to go back. I'm cracking up in the design mode. Button, oh, lowercase menu. Oh, you twonk. Alright, so button, lowercase menu. Missed it. Yeah, lowercase menu, button, menu. That's got multiple. And then put the two set screens in there. And if we do that one, I want to go to lowest common multiple. And this one, the lowest common multiple menu button, so the one that's on there that takes us back to the menu, should take us back to the menu. Let's try that. Give it a run. Press that. Yep, lowest common multiple. Press that one. Here we go. Back home. Lovely jubbly. Right, so let's do some code. So we put these little grey ones in here to just tell us what we're doing. So here I'm going to do LCM code. All right. So let's take our advantage. Let's take and see what's going on here. See that one there? Okay, lovely. So on event, when we press the button HCF, so we're going to need an on event. Okay, where's it gone? Okay, and then when I press the button that's on LCM calculations, that's what we want to do. And see this little bit here, we want that again. We didn't use capital A and lowercase a here, but we're going to want to do so this time. So I want 4 of these, and these are the ones without the word VAR on. The ones with VAR on, we put at the very top to declare the variable. So A here, little a is get number. So it's a yellow one, get number. And where are we going to get it from? We're going to get it from text. Lowest common multiple A. Alright. And then big A equals equal A. And capital letters means it's a constant. It means that it's not going to change. The lowercase ones are going to change. So we're going to play around with those numbers. Oh, we'll put capital letters on. That's not neat. Oh dear me. I might have to do that on my own. And then big B is little b. Okay. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to keep, when we got the slowest number, we've got the two numbers. Let's take 4 and 6, for example. We're going to, 4 is the smallest number, and we're going to make it bigger by adding another 4 to it. And then we're going to keep doing that until they're the same. So the same process what we've got here, while A is different to B. So notice that's in blue. So we're going to go to a blue to control. We're going to go and get a while. All right. And these are in orange, so they're the math one. So this is a not equals 2. So while A is not equal to B, and we're using the little a and the little b because these are the ones that are going to be moving up. So now we asked here if A was less than B. So well, let's do the same thing again. So let's go and get an if statement with an else. And we'll put it inside here. And we're going to say if A is less than B. Doesn't matter which way around you do, but might as well keep it the same. If A is smaller than B, then we want to make A bigger. So we're going to get a variable, and while I'm here, I'm going to go and put one in the other side as well. So if A is smaller, we want A to be bigger. We want its old value plus its first value. And if B is smaller, then we want the little b equals the old value plus the original value. And then last things we need to do in here is set the text. So we need to, when it comes out of the loop here, A and B should be equal, and so we're going to put a yellow one in here with set text. And which text do we want to do? Well, we want to do the label that's on the lowest common multiple where the answer, and we want to put that answer in there. And what do we want to put in there? So we're going to press the delete key, not the backspace, and I've pressed it twice, and now I'm going to press backspace, and I want little a in there as well. It could be little b, it doesn't matter, they should be the same. So let's give that a go. Let's reset and run. Lowest common multiple, let's put 4 and let's put 6. It keeps sensible numbers in there that you can actually check yourself, and it's saying 12. Okay, so I would tend to agree with that. So let's do something a little bit more awkward. Let's do 14 and 6, and it says 42. So 3 lots of 14 is 42, because 3 lots of 10 is 30, 3 lots of 4 is 12. Okay, and then 7 times 6 is 42. That works a treat. And then we press the button back, and we are done. Good job, everybody.